York University Library's catalog is the best tool for searching books available in the library, whether it's a print book or an electronic book, whether it's from the law library, from the business library, or any other York University branch libraries. To access the library catalog, visit www.library.yorku.ca or just Google York University Libraries. The York University Library's search interface is called OMNI. Searching on this platform, you can find books, articles, videos, maps, government documents, open access materials, and more. OMNI is a collaboration between 16 partner university libraries in Ontario. The York University Libraries community can now search and borrow from York University Libraries, as well as physical resources from our partner institutions. It is recommended that you always sign in to My Account before starting your search. Then you will be able to have access to full text, to view search history and save searches, to ping and access my favorites, to set up notifications for newly added materials, to check loans and requests, to renew materials you already borrowed, to pay any fines you might have, plus much more. By default, OMNI homepage offers a simple search box that allows you to search everything by using keywords. To improve your search accuracy, you can use Boolean operators. The most frequently used Boolean operators include AND, OR, NOT, quotation marks, wildcard, and truncation. As shown here, AND operator retrieves books with both keywords mentioned. OR operator retrieves books with either keywords. NOT operator retrieves books with one keyword but not the other. Proper use of these operators help to narrow or broaden your search. All Boolean operators need to be capitalized in OMNI in order to be recognized as an operator. They can be combined in use as well. Use brackets to define the order of operators. Quotation marks are used when you are searching for a specific word combination or an exact phrase. When quotation marks are added for the term international trade law, the search retrieves books with this exact phrase. Without the quotation marks, the three words are treated as if the AND operator is used. So this search retrieves any books with all these three words mentioned in no particular order. Wildcard is used to replace a single character in a word, and you can use the question mark to represent the missing character in the search query. Truncation allows you to search the root form of a word with all its different endings by adding the asterisk symbol to the end of a word. Effective use of these operators can help you to construct more effective search queries. When typing the search keywords in the search box, you will have the drop-down menu, which allows you to search specifically in York University Library's general collection, which includes all Osklahoma Law Library collection, or all OMNI Libraries combined collection, or York Library's course reserves. Even though you are able to search all OMNI partner libraries combined collection, I would recommend that you start your search with our own library collection to avoid overwhelming results. Whether to use any Boolean operators and which ones to use and how to use them depends on your objective of the search. After you complete your search, you can use filters to further narrow down your results. There is another video where I will show you how to use filters to get better search results. OMNI not only retrieves books, but also many other types of materials. You will find scholarly and non-scholarly articles in your OMNI search as well. However, please be reminded that many scholarly and non-scholarly articles in the field of law are not included in OMNI searches. You should not rely on OMNI for article searches. In the next video, we will learn how to do advanced searches in OMNI.